Well, hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, coming back at you. So I just want to show you something real quick. This is my Pakistani mulberry tree. I started her off in a pot. Then I realized in a pot they get root bound very quickly. So this is how big she is. We're shaping her. She likes a lot of water. I realized that. Okay. I cut a branch off of her. And I actually threw the branch in this. So this right here is root bound right now because they grow very quickly. And like I said, they need a lot of water. And I'm also going to show you one more thing. So, as you can see, the one that I just showed you in the pot, I had to take one out. I had a total of 3. Actually, I had a total of 4. I gave one away. But I had a total of 3. This was one that was in a Lowe's pot. I took it out. And there we go. Look how big she got. So they grow very, very quickly. I realized they like a lot of water. I did not do anything special because I really don't know much about cuttings. This has all been experimenting. What I have realized is the Pakistani was very, very easy for me to grow from cuttings. But the regular mulberry tree I had, the everbearing, was harder for me to root. The white one so far, mulberry tree, has not taken yet as far as the cutting. And I'm just trying the Shangri-La to see how well it does. So out of all the success so far, I have a Pakistani, 2 of those, and I just showed you in my other video the picture of the everbearing that finally took the cutting that took. So like I said, I'm giving it a lot of water because I noticed the Pakistani likes a lot of water. Also, they get root bound very, very quickly. They grow very, very quickly. We put this one in here in September. Right, so she was the same size as the one that was in the pot that I just showed you, and we put it in. So Pakistanis grow real big. As you can see, we're trying to shape the tree, and it's a very good shade tree when the leaves are out because the leaves are nice and big. So I really did not have any intention on having 2 Pakistanis, but since I had the cutting started growing so quickly, I decided to go ahead and throw it in the ground, and there we go. It's just as big as the mother tree right here. And I started all of them in 5-gallon containers. So I did not use any root anything. All I did was cut a branch. What I did was like the one that was already full of leaves like this. All I did was to cut it and stuck it in dirt with leaves and all, and they tend to grow very quickly. And like I said, that one that we have that's back here is root bound, and I could take it out the pot and I can let you know it's definitely root bound because I've had it in there for a while. So the growth, I'm stunting the growth right now. So I can just give it away to somebody because I don't need too many Pakistanis in there. They grow very big, and I like to shape my trees. And this was that everbearing one that finally took after 4 tries, and you see all the mulberries on there. So what I'm trying right now is my white mulberry and my Shangri-La, which I just rooted in. Basically I just cut a piece of branch off, and I'm doing exactly the same thing as the Pakistani. And this is my Shangri-La. So just a little info on how quickly, and out of all of them, the Pakistani so far has done a lot. As I said, I have no experience in rooting any type. I've actually also did the Java Jakarta like that too, and the Miwas. So I've also did those too. Again, I have no experience on any of that. Now, I just wanted to check you. Miwas, they said, take a very long time to grow on their own. And Miwas are kumquats. And if you look at the date on that, yep. And look at them. This is one, and this is the other one. Okay, so Miwas take a long time to grow. They don't grow too big anyway. I have all kind of Miwas, as you can see one in front of me, and I have them around. So that's just me, basically. I'm going to try to learn more grafting this year. But right now, I'm into taking the cutting and go ahead and rooting. As far as the Miwas, I'm growing those straight from seed. And basically, I just take this whole thing and toss it in the soil, and it grows. So yes, I've been doing a lot from cuttings. I actually did a job at Jakarta. I didn't think you actually can do one of those from cutting. And so far, two have been successful, two Java Jakartas. So I know they're going to take a long time to grow. Again, I'm just doing experiments right now. So basically that's it. I'm going to learn some grafting this year. But I've been basically doing cuttings because that was just the easy way. Just take it, cut it, and throw it in the ground. Okay, hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.